Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you how to do egg masala curry. For that we need half teaspoon of haldi powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder which is jeera powder, half teaspoon of coriander dhania powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, curry leaves, 1 cup water, 1 cup of tomato puree, 1 cup of onion puree, ginger garlic paste, jeera, 6 boiled eggs, 1 biryani leaf, 1 cinnamon, 1 clove and flour, 3 green chilies and little of mint and coriander. Firstly, we're going to on the stove and boil 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in it. Then gently put the boiled eggs into it. Fry it nice. So let's shift it into, we have shifted it into a bowl, let the eggs cool down. Now let's start the curry batter. Add green chilies and clove, cinnamon and biryani leaves into the kadai. Now add very little of cumin seeds as we are taking it powder and then paste also. Fry it well. Now add little of curry leaves. Slowly fry as the oil keeps splitting. Now add the onion puree. Now fry the puree for 2 minutes and add ginger garlic paste into it. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Add the masala powders into it. Mix them well. Put in medium flame. Now add 1 cup of tomato puree into it. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of red chili powder and let it boil for 2 minutes. Mix it well. If you want more spice, you can add it little more. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt into it. Now add the eggs. I have cut it into 2 pieces. Here. Let it boil. Add little of curry leaves in between. Put in the puree. The existing water gets the boiling stage. Now let's check. I guess the curry is done.